Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketpreneur channel, where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video we're going to talk about how you guys can make money online by reading books and being an audio narrator right from home. Before we get there, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos. I'm really close of releasing my free affiliate marketing course. So if you guys want to know when it's ready, I will be dropping the video. So you wanted to subscribe, you want to hit that notification button, so whenever I'm dropping that video, you'll be the first ones to know, so you guys can go and learn affiliate marketing. But let's go into this video and let's go into my computer so I can show you where you can find these type of jobs. Now this was very curious to me, and I actually started how much a narrator can make. So what I found in Google says veteran or experienced narrators can expect to earn between $168.25 per hour or $1,346 for a finished audiobook. That is as long as 8 hours. So non-union narrators with experience can earn between $90 and $200 per finished hour. Okay, so this is hourly rates. However, it is more typical for the ceiling to be $150 per hour for a non-union narrator. So if you're someone that has a very good voice, you sound very good, and have a microphone and like to read, this job's for you. Now when I look for places where you can get jobs as a narrator, the first one that came out was ACX. Now this is one of the top websites from my understanding, because your audiobooks will be sold through these online retailers: Audible, Amazon.com, and iTunes. So you click on this, but it says how it works. Then you're gonna click on narrator, and then basically it says your own per finished hour rate paid upon successful completion of the audiobooks. You get to choose. You can share royalties from sales with the right holders. So that's why this is one of the top websites right there. You go create your profile, you upload your samples, and you can see what's the step-by-step way for you guys to get hired. Okay, so we gotta go into search, and then you're gonna click on titles accepting auditions. So you gotta make auditions for these audiobooks, and you see that the project length let's see 5 to 10 hours. Let's see what we got there. Food yoga. The easiest way to meet the ringer. Let's see that one. Looks like a crime. This is 6 hours and 30 minutes. Royalty share. And the way you audition for this, you see right here where it says audition. You're gonna click on that button, and then you gotta download the transcript, and then you're gonna upload it to your account. So the person that wrote this book is gonna go listen, and if they like the way you sound, they are going to give you that gig. All right, let's see another one. Let's see. Overcome stress. That one is 5 hours and 40 minutes. The project budget is between $50 and $100 fulfill hour. Okay, so you can make up to $500 if you complete the whole thing with 5 hours and 40 minutes. So you click on audition, and right here is your script. So this is a good website where you guys can get started and start earning money by reading books. Now, another website that will hire you as a narrator is Bunny Studios. Okay, and you set your rates, and this is the one thing that I found. You set your rates. You get paid for every approved submission. So all projects come your way. So you gotta create a profile just like this other one. Once you sign in for it, and you will get hired. So that's another website that will hire you as a narrator. Another website that I found is called findawayvoices.com, and this one, it says you can find away voices. You'll have a steady flow of audiobooks to record. You'll expand your portfolio, and your voice will reach listeners all over the world. Okay, so you go share your value, right? You sign up, you get approved, and then you set your rates. So it all depends how good you're at this. You can make a lot of money from home by just reading books. And let's see right here. This is how payments do work. Findaway Voices is built to be fair and flexible for both authors and narrators. So we pay narrators per finished hour rate, meaning they get paid based on the duration of the final performance. Each production must be delivered fully edited and ready to listen. Okay, narrators set the per finished hour rate and may charge the rate at any time. So you can change your rate at any time. If authors request an audition within 7 days of a rate change, we request the narrator either honors the previous rate or declines the project. So this is a very legit website, you guys. I can go see for yourself, and you can be doing this from home. As you can see, she has a room where she's doing this. Now you can go to Voice 123, and it says join as a voice actor, and then this is the application process. And this is one thing that I was looking at. What language do you speak? This is not just for English speaking people. This is for people around the world. You'll speak Caribbean, Cambodian, Danish, Croatian, French European, French Canadian. Let's see what you got. Japanese, and I saw Japanese. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what language is that, to be honest with you. But as you can see, this works for anyone around the world. So this is Voice 123. You can check that website too. This is voices.com, and I was looking for where to apply, but I think the best way you can do is you can go and email them general inquiries how to apply, and if you already have a portfolio, you can go and send them to them via email so they can hire you. So this is another website that's hiring you as an online audio narrator. And another website is bundalgo.com, and this is something that I was looking at this website. Happy clients that found their voice over talents are Pirelli, Sony, Vistaprint, National Geographic, Microsoft, and I don't know what these other brands are, but I mean, you got Microsoft, National Geographic, and Sony. Those are like big companies. These are all legit websites, and if you go all the way to the bottom, you see that they have all kinds of languages all over the world. So this is not just English speaking. You can do it. It doesn't matter where you're in the world. So guys, if you need ways to make money online and you have a good voice and you like to read and read audiobooks, there's a bunch of websites that you guys can start applying right now, audition for these jobs, and eventually you guys are gonna make this a career out of it, and there's gonna be millions of people listening to your voice once you get approved, once these audiobooks go for sale. So I hope this helped you. And also, if you're interested of doing other work from home jobs that have nothing to do with this. There's a video that's coming at the end for 10 high-paying jobs that are hiring right now. So also subscribe to my channel, because soon I'm coming with my affiliate marketing course. It's completely free. It will be free. And if you guys want to know more about affiliate marketing, this is something that you need to look into it, so you guys can have a foundation and make this year the year that you start an online business the right way. So with that being said, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.